Hello, in this video we will explain the cross-section earthwork table creation function based on the cross-section view linked to MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN. MIDAS CIM provides a batch creation function for cross-sections of road sections and structures modeled based on layout. When you use the cross-section creation function within the drawing view using the By Layout feature, the cross-section details automatically link to MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN. In the video, we'll model the road, bridge, and the section connecting back to the road. The explanation will be provided under the condition that the road section is modeled as earthwork using the automatic slope generation function. Go to MIDAS CIM's drawing view, use the By Layout function, choose the suitable layout, and configure it to generate a cross-section drawing automatically at 20-meter intervals. Afterwards, define the size of the cross-section that will be linked to the relevant drawing. Then, link the program so that a cross-section can be created with MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN. When MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN is executed, a tree group named Layout Info is generated in the CIM view worktree on the left, displaying the corresponding section. When you right-click on the tree group and select Generate Drawing, sections are automatically created. You can selectively view the desired cross-section by double-clicking on the respective cross-section, depending on your requirements. Let's take a moment to compare the drawing information stored in MIDAS CIM worktree with the cross-section created in MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN. You can verify by comparing the corresponding locations linked to the drawing. Now we return to MIDAS CAD INFRA-DESIGN to proceed with the explanation. Within the INFRA-DESIGN tab, you'll execute the function for creating cross-sectional views. The options setting window for the function will appear, allowing you to review and configure the settings for the table items that will constitute the cross-section earthwork table. The basic structure of the table in the program is as follows. If you want to use a customized table format, you can write it in CAD block format, load the block, and use it by matching the field code on the left. Make your choice based on the option you select for cross-section. Since the cross-section was previously created based on the layout in CIM, an earthwork table is created in batches by selecting the layout, or the cross-section is directly selected according to the user's selection. Next, specify the earthwork quantity settings and bench cut and slope notation settings based on the user's preference, then click OK. In the video, an earthwork table is generated solely by adjusting the table style within the table content settings. Following that, an earthwork table is generated at the lower left corner of the cross-section view based on the slope, fill, and cut slope data from the cross-section view. For manually entering quantities that are not automatically linked to the earthwork table, you can input customized quantity using the Modify Cross-Section View function. Run Modify Cross-Section View function. Upon selecting a layout, a list of sections associated with that layout will appear, allowing you to choose the necessary section to input the quantity. Double-click on the cell where you want to input the quantity, enter the value, and click OK to update the information. Run the function once more to verify the cross-section. Manually entered quantities are highlighted in red, allowing you to differentiate them from the rest. Next is an explanation of the cross-sectional area calculation, as a quantity calculation function using the earthwork table. This function can be verified by exporting the earthwork quantity calculation and tally table in Excel format. You can also deduct earthwork quantities by adding sections where earthwork needs to be excluded, such as bridge and tunnel sections. Let's run the function in the video and verify the earthwork quantity. The following describes the types of terrain styles that will be visible on the cross-section. When creating a drawing, you can apply a customized style by incorporating terrain styles such as layers and hatching. In the video example, the hatch style is applied to fill the road cross-section. Hatch style is applied to the subgrade and embankment sections that match the terrain style filling. Apply the specified style to the cross-section and proceed with updating the selected view. The hatch style has been applied to the road section filling part. Hereby, we have introduced and explained that it's possible to calculate the average quantity of both sections using the cross-section view and the earthwork quantity table creation function. Thank you.